Hi viewers, welcome to penhouse.in. In this video, we are going to see a short review on Baoke blue color 1mm gel pen, and here it is given as 1mm here, and also this is looking like a matte finish, but it is a plastic finish blue body pen with golden clip and a golden round surface button on the bottom, and here same model in the grip section also. And this is a bold writing 1mm refill, and this is a refillable pen, and you can change the refill by this way. You have to unscrew this part and you can remove this and take out the refill. And this is a broad gel refill, and you can easily get this spares, and this is a low cost refill. You can get it anywhere, it is easily available, and in Penhouse we are having this pair. And again you can easily twist this. So now the writing, this is absolutely a very bold writing. The gel pen's color are also coming out very well. And now the length of this pen, it is 140.9 mm, and the diameter of this pen is, with cap, it is with the clip on the cap, it is 15.9 mm, and the body diameter is 11.3 mm. With this you can get an idea about the holder or pouch for this pen. And yeah, if you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can make a call to a mobile number. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.